It is so hot today.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Do you need another quick and super easy DIY gift to give somebody? Got a pillow? How about making a Christmassy pillowcase? All you're gonna need, other than a pillow, oh, I'm sitting on it, some material. So get 2 pieces of material, just bigger than the size of your pillow. Get them right sides together. Take the pillow out of the pillowcase, and we'll cut the fabric to size. When you're cutting, you're going to want a seam allowance. So that's where we're going to do the seam. So I'm only going to cut about here. Now before I cut this off, I should have checked if I had a spare zip, which I don't. But lucky I have extra material. So we're going to make like a little pouch. So just like the pillow on your bed, we're going to make a little extra piece in here. Just about this big. The same width, so it can fold over and we can tuck in the pillow. The first things first is we're going to get one layer of this and sew our little pouchy foldy bit to it, pinning them right sides together. Ta-da! A working flap doohickey thing. Now we're going to pin and sew together 3 edges of the pillow, leaving open the flappy edge side. You may also want to hem the little open side so it'll be a bit neater when we tuck in the flap. You can also hem the edge of the flap too. Someone gets a bit jealous. We just flip her inside out, put the pillow in. This is the bit that we just tuck in, just like the pillow on your bed. Obviously you could add a little button if you wanted to, that might be cute. But you're done! How easy and simple and cute is that? I think it's time for me to try this pillow and have a rest. See you tomorrow.